Discover Italy's most beautiful towns, your ultimate travel guide. Dreaming of Italy? Let's explore Italy's 10 most beautiful towns. From coastal gems to historic hilltop villages, each town offers unique charm and scenery. Whether you're planning your first visit or a return trip, these destinations promise unforgettable experiences. Ready to discover Italy's hidden treasures? First, we journey to Positano on the Amalfi Coast. Known for its stunning cliffs and vibrant houses, Positano is a paradise for beach lovers and hikers alike. Picture yourself wandering through charming shops or enjoying a meal with sea views. With mild weather and fewer crowds, spring and fall are ideal. Next, let's head to San Gimignano in Tuscany. Famous for its medieval towers and lush vineyards, this town is perfect for history buffs and wine enthusiasts. Stroll through cobblestone streets, visit ancient sites, and indulge in local wines. Summer and fall bring lively festivals and breathtaking landscapes. In Liguria, the picturesque village of Manarola awaits. Part of the Cinque Terre, Manarola captivates with its colorful houses and bustling harbor. Enjoy hiking trails with stunning sea views, or take a boat tour along the coast. Vibrant and lively, Manarola shines brightest in spring and summer. Our next stop is Alberobello. In Puglia, renowned for its unique trulli houses. Wander through narrow streets lined with these whitewashed, conical roofed homes. Immerse yourself in local markets and enjoy the town's distinctive architecture. With moderate weather, spring and fall are the perfect times to visit. Matera, in Basilicata, enchants with its ancient cave dwellings and rich history. Visitors can explore these unique homes and take in fascinating historical tours. For a memorable stay, Sextantio Le Grotte della Civita offers a unique lodging experience with delicious cuisine at Ristorante Francesca. Ideal travel seasons are spring and fall. Orvieto, nestled in Umbria, is famed for its stunning Duomo di Orvieto and intriguing underground tours. Travelers will find charm in every corner, stay at l'Abbadia di Orvieto, and dining at Trattoria del Moro Aroni. Visit during spring or fall for a less crowded medieval experience. Portofino, located in Liguria, is a luxurious retreat with yacht tours and chic shopping. Visitors can unwind at the elegant Belmont Hotel Splendido and savor meals at La Terrazza. Spring and summer are perfect times to enjoy its opulent ambience and potential celebrity sightings along the picturesque coastline. Assisi in Umbria is a spiritual haven, renowned for the Basilica of St. Francis and scenic walking tours. Stay at Non Assisi Relays and Spa Museum for a tranquil experience, and enjoy delicious food at Osteria Piazzetta dell'Erba. Spring and fall provide the best conditions for exploring its historical richness. Ravello on the Amalfi Coast offers breathtaking views and cultural delights, including Villa Ruffolo and various concerts. Hotel Caruso provides luxurious accommodations, while Rossellini serves delightful meals. Visiting in spring or fall ensures stunning vistas and enriching cultural events, making it a perfect destination for travelers seeking both beauty and culture. After exploring Ravello's stunning views and cultural events, it's time to wrap up our journey. Each town offers its own unique charm, from Positano's coastal beauty to Assisi's spiritual ambience. Italy's diverse landscapes and rich history are captured perfectly in these 10 towns, making each visit unforgettable. We hope this tour inspires you to pack your bags and experience Italy's beauty firsthand. Whether you're drawn to the vineyards of San Gimignano or the luxurious ambiance of Portofino, there's something for everyone. Italy isn't just a destination, it's a dream come true. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to AlCabri Travel for more breathtaking travel guides. Share your favorite Italian town in the comments below. Check the video description for additional resources and guides to help you plan your Italian adventure. Before you go, don't miss our related videos that dive deeper into the beauty of Italy and beyond. Subscribe to AlCabri Travel for more inspiring travel content. Every journey starts with a single step, so let us help you take yours. Explore more with our additional resources and guides, which you can find in the video description. These guides offer deeper insights and tips to make your Italian vacation unforgettable. Stay tuned for more detailed travel itineraries and exclusive content. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. We'll be diving into the top hidden gems of France, so make sure to tune in. Safe travels and happy exploring. At AlCabri Travel, we believe in the magic of authentic experiences. Staying in charming local accommodations and dining at hidden culinary gems allows you to truly connect with each town. Our recommendations are carefully selected to give you an insider's perspective, making your travels both enriching and enjoyable. To fully appreciate Italy's beauty, timing is crucial. AlCabri Travel's seasonal advice helps you avoid crowds and enjoy mild weather. We highlight the best times to visit each town, ensuring a more relaxed and intimate experience. Trust AlCabri Travel to guide you through Italy's splendor, one picturesque town at a time.